Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can automate your emails through ChatGPT by using the make.com, where you can automate your emails through ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can automate. As you can see, I have automated my Gmail through OpenAI to Gmail. So watch till the end, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this too. So first, we're gonna go to make.com. Then we will click here login. If you are new, then you will click get started here. In my case, I have already signed up, so I'm gonna click login. Just loading. Now I am in the dashboard of make.com. Here you can automate various things like your social media and stuff. So here we will click on create scenario. So this button here, we will you can scroll down and you will find Gmail. See? And here you will click what email is, and this will show you to connect your Gmail account. I have already connect, and this will show you connect. Then you will connect here and folder. Make sure to set it inbox and save and save. Then you will click here, and here we will find open AI and scroll down. This generate a completion. We will click here. Click save. Modern GPT file. Please select this one. And save. Here we will click again in this model, and we will now click on Gmail to we will click now on send an email. Subject. We will click to this. Okay. This is not necessary.
Gingerbread one.
And then you will click on run once. So it's now running. This scenario is now working. Now anyone who will email me, so ChatGPT gonna do itself reply to this email. So here, so I did this. So hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. If you like enjoy, then subscribe. Thank you so much.